Hi, if you want to make your iPhone 16e flash when you get a text or a call, then you need to go in your phone settings and find Accessibility tab. After that, if you scroll a bit down, you should see Audio and Visual section in this hearing category. So by selecting it, on the bottom of the display, you will find LED flash for alerts. And this is exactly what we were looking for. So if you want for your phone flash when you get a text or a call, then just toggle on this switch right here, so it will be green. Now, each time you'll receive new notification or an incoming call, your phone will flash like that. Additionally, you can enable to flash while unlocked and flash in silent mode. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.